Okay, so today we are discussing ethical hackers. The overview, what is ethical hacking? Ethical hacking is where a person is hired to hack a company's software so the company can figure out what problems it has in its system. Ethical hacking differs from unethical hacking due to the fact that it has no foul intent behind it. Ethical hacking is exploited to benefit a business rather than harm it. The impact of ethical hacking. Ethical hacking is very important in order to protect data from being stolen. Many organizations around the world face security threats all the time. New viruses, worms, or malware are increasing day by day. Ethical hackers are brought in to defend networks and software development. Without ethical hackers, cybercrimes would increase heavily. These attacks play a huge role in protecting a business's data. Expert opinions. Experts believe in order to ensure secure systems, an organization should advise ethical hacking if they value privacy that could be potentially utilized. While we see more and more cyber attacks yearly, ethical hacking has become more important. At this pace, technology will continue to evolve. Experts believe ethical hacking will continue to grow and develop the technical skills and strategies in order to defend systems and networks against hackers. Over COVID, we saw a lot more cyber attacks, especially in that time. Methods of ethical hackers. Well, hacking is hacking. The methods don't differ much between white, black, and gray hackers. It's the reasoning behind hacking that makes it ethical or not. Ethical hackers use the same methods as illegal or unethical hackers in order to have the most accurate information on security flaws. Ethical hackers often stimulate attacks on security systems to know how to protect these networks and systems. If ethical hackers didn't use the same methods as advanced illegal hackers, these systems would get overthrown and data would be stolen. Conclusion. Based on our research, as long as hacking remains ethical, meaning that there is no foul play behind the hack, it is seen as very beneficial and oftentimes a necessity for organizations and businesses trying to protect information and data.